Numbers don't lie. And when it comes to real estate, numbers tell a story. This is Dory Edwards with this month's monthly market update and some numbers. Let's talk appreciation numbers. Over the last 2 years, home value appreciation has exploded in the Valley. Since October of 2020, we've seen double-digit annual appreciation getting as high as 28.5% between March of 2021 and March of 2022. We cannot keep up with that kind of growth, especially since incomes have not even come close to growing at that same rate. The bottom line, it's good to have owned a home over the last 2 years. If you have, you've most likely gained significant equity over that time. And if you're looking to get into the market, homes continue to get more expensive. Let's talk interest rate numbers. Rates are higher today than at any time since 2009. Rising interest rates make monthly mortgage payments higher, reducing buying power for people needing a loan to purchase a home. We've gotten spoiled over the last 10 years with low interest rates. Prior to 2004, rates averaged 7 or 8% or more, peaking in the early 80s at over 18% for a 30-year fixed-rate conventional mortgage. People still bought houses and most likely refinanced a short time later. Here's something to keep in mind. Economists say we're in or heading into a recession. In nearly every recession over the last 50 years, interest rates rose at the beginning of the recession, but in order to come out of the recession, interest rates are lowered to stimulate the economy moving forward. We can't predict the future, but if past history is any indication, interest rates should be coming down in a matter of months. With home affordability getting more challenging, the market is adjusting rapidly. The number of active listings has skyrocketed in the last few months, from barely 4,000 homes available for sale in the spring to over 16,000 homes now. That's a tremendous increase. And what's truly interesting is we've seen only 2,000 more listings this year versus last year. So where did all the inventory come from? Demand has fallen. Buyers aren't grabbing up houses the day they hit the market, keeping houses on the market longer, which is what's causing the rise in inventory. The insanity appears to be over. All these numbers are signs, and the story they're telling is that we may be returning to a normal market state. It's not necessarily cause for alarm. The sky is not falling. We'll need to continue to watch the numbers, but as long as people keep moving to the Valley and people continue to need places to live, we can expect prices to keep moving, just at a slower rate than we've seen over the last few years. If you want to discuss whether now is a good time for you to make a move, please give me a call. I'm Dory Edwards with Realty One Group. Don't make a move without me.